South Korea faced its worst November snowstorm in over 50 years on Wednesday, bringing life to a standstill across large parts of the country. The capital, Seoul, was blanketed with up to 20 centimeters of snow, marking its heaviest November snowfall since 1972. According to Reuters, at least two people were reportedly killed in traffic accidents on highways east of the capital, while falling debris from buildings and construction sites due to strong winds injured some pedestrians in Seoul, media reports said. The storm, which affected central, eastern, and southwestern regions, caused severe travel disruptions. At least 220 flights were delayed or cancelled. 90 ferries were grounded and hundreds of hiking trails were closed. The heavy snow also led to a tragic five-vehicle accident in Hongcheon, killing one person and injuring four others. With snow accumulations reaching up to 23 centimeters in some areas, authorities are bracing for further disruptions as the weather agency predicts snowfall will continue through Thursday. This historic storm has left South Korea grappling with icy conditions and widespread chaos.